Hi, guys. Good to see you again. Happy Tuesday. Guys, why are you worrying? Huh? Why are you worrying about things that you have no control over? Things that you can't do anything about? Why are you worrying about it? Why? Ask yourself, why do I take so much of my time worrying about something that I can't change? You can't change it. You can make it better, but if it's going to be there, it's going to happen. It's just going to happen. Things happen because they're supposed to happen. Think about it. Things happen because they're supposed to happen. You have no control. So guys, I don't know who this message is for. Stop worrying about the things that you cannot change. Only He can change things, okay? I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to hold the line, and also remember, love yourself today so that you will love others. And I'll see you in the next video. Alright guys, I'm headed out. So the sun is out, but it's very deceiving. It is not that warm out here. I am on my way to work, but I'm going to stop and get some coffee creamer because I need it, and I know that once I get off I probably won't want to go to the store in the evening time. I don't know, I like to get things done, so I do have a few minutes ahead of me, so I'm going to go do that. And then I don't know if I mentioned to you guys about the dog situation. I did go before. Well, I was going to go to look at some dogs. However, something told me to call, and I'm glad I did that. I called and they were saying that they didn't have any dogs, like little dogs. All those go really fast. I kind of already knew that in a way because we all like little dogs. So anyway, they told me to go on this site. So I went on the site, which is like a pound thing in different cities and different counties. I did that, and all I seen was pit bulls, anything a mix with a pit bull. I don't want a dog like that. I don't. And it's something to that because the whole time I strolled different counties and stuff. There was nothing but like pit bulls, purebred pit bulls, and mixed breed pit bulls. Why is that? I'm glad you asked. Y'all know why. They will turn on you. I don't care how long you had them since they're puppy or whatever. There is no way all those platforms are filled with those type of dogs. But anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know and update you on the dog situation. I'm still going to it's a lot of debris in the street. Must have been an accident yesterday. We did have a lot of, it was bad last night in the evening. But yeah, no dog. I just wanted to inform y'all that I did, well, not inform y'all, but update y'all on me looking for a dog. I'm still looking for a doggy. And I'm on my way. Once I go to the store and get the coffee cream, I will be dropping this off. This is the bulb that I had already. I think I got it from one of the bins. But that black lamp that's in that family room that had this bulb, that new light lamp fixture, it had this bulb in it. This is only a 6-watt LED. It is LED, but it's only 6 watts. So I'm going to be donating this to the church, and somebody have a bulb. They might like 6 watt. I don't like it, so I'm going to do that instead of taking it to the Goodwill where they're going to sell it. I'd rather take it to the church. So guys, I will see you guys once I get home. Okay, hold the line, please. Hey guys, I'm back home. So I did find my coffee creamer today. I got the Natural Bliss almond milk creamer. I didn't know this was almond milk creamer, but this is caramel. So I got that. And guys, this was $3.15 for this little thing. Do y'all buy this? Like, it's so little. I'm not complaining. I'm just saying, like, well, yes, I am. $3.15 for this little one. I just couldn't get to an Aldi, so yeah. But I decided to come home and make me a cup of coffee. So I'm gonna set y'all down for a minute so I can make my cup of coffee over here, okay? So yeah, guys, I went to the what is it called? The optometrist. I did get my eyes checked today, all that good stuff. The whole exam I got done. So I will be getting some new glasses. I can't wait to get rid of those bifocals things that they guys, just because people have, hold on, let me bring y'all closer. Just because people have, like, went to school and you got a certificate or you got a degree for stuff, y'all don't always know what y'all doing. Because my glasses, I don't know if y'all ever, let me turn this TV down. I don't know, you probably guys already seen my other glasses that have the metal frame. They're thick like bifocals. I don't wear bifocals. I need glasses that have like the little thing in them or something, but I got some new glasses coming, so I can't clap my hands like I want, but y'all know what I mean. A round of applause for that. So I got that done. I'm so glad I put myself first today. And yeah, glad about that. And the sun, y'all, the sun is deceiving. It looks like it's probably 40 or 50 degrees here. It's freezing. It is so cold. So cold. Hold on, y'all. Let me get this coffee together here. Put y'all down for a minute. Ooh, y'all was dark. Y'all were dark. So let's make this coffee. Y'all, creamer is so expensive. I'm telling you, even though I'm like not a big coffee drinker, I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I might be taking the limits off. Seriously. Because I'm not gonna be paying no $3 for no coffee creamer, even if I can't get to the store to buy a creamer. That doesn't make sense to me. But today is a good day, y'all, though. It is. It really is. Let's make this coffee. Let's quit talking and make this coffee. I did add some almond milk to my creamer. Y'all see all that goodness? Let's pour her in. Let's pour her in. See, I hate that how that happens, because I won't be able to get all my, please let me get, oh, there we go. Ooh, look at that, y'all. Look at that. Ain't that pretty? That pretty. We got some more, though. Let's taste first. We do have more. Look at that, y'all. Starbucks at home. Ooh, Lord. That tastes really good. Let's pour the rest. Come on out of there. Ooh, wee. Yes, yes, yes. Come Come on out. Come on out. What you waiting on? What are you waiting on, girl? So, guys, so good. And to be honest, y'all, somebody was coming up. I was pulling up in the driveway over here. Let me get one of my brownies out. Let me get me a brownie. Ooh, yeah. Y'all, they look so good. I know it look good. I know. So let's take a bite of the brownie and let's get some coffee. Put this down. I know this is kind of like a lot of sugar. I'm gonna run up and down the hallway from the back to the front door like 10 times. I did that the other day though. I really did. Guys. This is to y'all. Y'all, this just made me feel so good. I'm sorry. Let me take y'all in here. I'm so sorry. But I'm so cold. I needed it. Hold on, y'all. Here we go with that light. But yeah, guys, I needed this. I really did. Feet cold, hands cold. All that good stuff. Yeah, but I'm not doing anything else today. I am in for the win. And got brownie stuck back there. But anyway, guys, I almost bought a plant today. For real. I went in there to go get the coffee creamer and was just looking at all kinds of stuff. I guess because, y'all, I don't know if y'all been paying attention. She has not been shopping. Have y'all noticed that? I haven't showed y'all anything, have I? No, I have not. Because she's been doing good. Uh-oh. Y'all look at that. I haven't been spending any money on anything that I don't need. So I've been doing good, y'all. So give me a round of applause. But I did almost bought me a plant, and then I kept saying, no, I don't need a plant, because what I can do is always propagate the plants that I already have. And I do think I'm going to do that with the, what is that, the Anasonia on top of the stove thing? I think I'm going to do it with that. So that's the next thing. That's the next plant I'm going to propagate. I want more than one of those, and they do good, so I'm going to do that. But guys, I don't have nothing else to, sorry y'all. I don't have nothing else to talk about. I'm probably going to take me a nap, because I've been up since 5 o'clock a.m. And after it was brownie and coffee, it's nap time. So thanks for stopping by for another video. And I will see you guys tomorrow, okay? Don't forget, don't be worried about stuff, y'all, because there's nothing we can do. What's going to happen is going to happen. Okay? What's yours is yours, and what's mine is mine. But stop worrying, though. Guys, I'll see you next video. Don't forget, love yourself so that you'll love others, and the world will be a much better place. Hold the line until next time. All right? Bye, y'all.